Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel because in this episode, I'm going bush. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've come out into the bush in the southwest of Western Australia. I've come out here to gather some charcoal because I need some charcoal. I've run out. And so what I do, instead of making my own, I just come out in the bush and I gather it up off of the burnt trees that are lying everywhere here from when the bushfires go through. And so that's a very economical way of doing it. I realise not everybody's got that opportunity, but I have, so I'm going to do it. Why cultivate it at home when it's growing wild out in the scrub? You beauty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when I come out bush and I'm looking for charcoal, this is the kind of thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for a fallen log. Fires came through, it gets up underneath that hollow sort of part there, and then it just sits there smouldering and it burns out. And when that fire eventually goes out, it leaves about a 1 inch thick layer of charcoal under there. And there's many fallen logs and trees around this area, so I don't have to go very far. Within about half an hour, I've got about 50 gallons, like a 44, or in America a 50-gallon drum's worth of charcoal, and that will last me for a month. And that's only for like about an hour's investment of time, so that's fantastic. And I'm looking for a specific type of tree when I do this, because some charcoal is very, very ashy. When you burn it down, it's all just white ash everywhere. This stuff, which is called jarrah, it's a West Australian hardwood, burns down to almost nothing, produces almost no ash whatsoever. It's fantastic. It burns really hot, it goes for a long time. It's absolutely premium stuff. So I'm going to scrape up all underneath now. I'm going to put a tarpaulin under there, scrape it with a rake. It'll come down on the tarpaulin. Now I'm going to put it in my bin, take it home with me. Check this out. Free charcoal. How good's that? Absolutely fantastic. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, there you go. That's my little adventure out in the bush today. I went out and got myself a whole heap of charcoal. That'll be good to go for forging for quite some time now. Means I can bring you more projects and have more fun in the forge. So until the time the next video comes around, thanks very much for watching this one. We'll see you later.